The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement of what happens when engineering ambition has no limits. Built exclusively for closed-course riding, this machine ignores street regulations entirely and focuses on one goal: absolute performance. It is a rare, limited production hypersport bike designed to push the boundaries of speed, power, and technology. With a claimed top speed approaching 400 km per hour, the H2R has earned its reputation as one of the fastest and most powerful production motorcycles ever created. What makes the Ninja H2R truly special is the way it brings together expertise from across the Kawasaki Heavy Industries Group. This is not just a motorcycle project, it is a collaboration that involves aerospace engineering, energy systems, and advanced materials science. Every component is designed with precision, and nothing exists on this bike without a purpose. From the engine to the aerodynamics, everything works together to deliver a riding experience that feels closer to a jet-powered machine than a conventional motorcycle. At the heart of the Ninja H2R is a liquid-cooled, 998cc inline-four engine, but this is no ordinary liter-class motor. The key difference is the supercharger, a component designed and built in-house by Kawasaki. Unlike turbochargers that rely on exhaust gases, this supercharger is mechanically driven, providing instant boost and relentless power delivery. The result is an engine that produces around 310 horsepower, and with the ram air effect at high speed, output can climb to approximately 326 horsepower. Torque figures are equally impressive, with around 165 Nm available, delivering explosive acceleration at almost any speed. When the throttle is opened, the H2R does not build speed gradually. It surges forward with a force that feels overwhelming, even to experienced riders. The power delivery is smooth but brutally strong, and the engine note is sharp, mechanical, and unmistakably aggressive. This is the sound of a machine operating far beyond the limits of street-legal motorcycles. Handling all that power requires a chassis designed specifically for extreme conditions. The Ninja H2R uses a lightweight steel trellis frame that balances rigidity and controlled flex, allowing the bike to remain stable under intense acceleration and high-speed cornering. A single-sided swing arm adds both strength and visual drama, while high-end racing suspension ensures the bike stays planted on the track. The rear is equipped with an H-Lins TTX36 shock, fully adjustable and tuned for professional-level performance. At the front, race-spec forks provide precise feedback and confidence when pushing the bike to its limits. Aerodynamics play a massive role in the H2R's performance. The bodywork is largely made from carbon fiber, keeping weight low while maintaining structural strength. The most striking feature is the set of winglets mounted on the front fairing. Designed with help from Kawasaki's aerospace division, these winglets generate downforce at high speeds, pressing the front wheel into the tarmac and improving stability during extreme acceleration. At speeds where most motorcycles would feel nervous or unstable, the H2R feels composed and deliberate. The visual design of the Ninja H2R is just as dramatic as its performance. The mirror-coated silver matte finish reflects light in a way that looks almost liquid, emphasizing the bike's futuristic character. Every angle, every surface, and every detail reinforces the idea that this machine exists in a different category altogether. Despite its raw nature, the H2R is packed with advanced electronics designed to help manage its immense power. Kawasaki traction control works in combination with slide control to keep the rear wheel in check when grip is pushed to the limit. Launch control helps deliver maximum acceleration from a standstill, while the intelligent anti-lock braking system includes cornering management for added control during aggressive riding. An electronic steering damper adjusts automatically based on speed, providing stability during high-speed runs and lighter steering at lower speeds. Stopping power is just as important as acceleration, and the H2R does not compromise in this area. It rides on Bridgestone Racing Batlax V1 slick tires, developed specifically for track use to deliver maximum grip. Braking is handled by dual radial-mounted Brembo-style monoblock calipers paired with large semi-floating 330mm discs. The braking performance is sharp, powerful, and consistent, allowing riders to scrub off massive speeds with confidence. It is important to understand that the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is strictly a track-only machine. It is not street legal and lacks essential road equipment such as headlights, mirrors, and a license plate mount. The exhaust system is extremely loud, far beyond legal limits for public roads and even too loud for some racetracks with strict noise regulations. This bike is built for private circuits, professional testing, and controlled environments where its performance can be fully unleashed. Maintenance is another reminder of the H2R's racing pedigree. Kawasaki recommends specific servicing intervals, especially when the bike is operated above certain RPM thresholds. In some cases, maintenance is required every 15 hours of high-performance use, emphasizing that this is not a casual weekend ride but a serious piece of engineering meant for dedicated owners. In the end, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not about practicality or everyday usability. It is about pushing technology to the edge and showcasing what is possible when rules are removed and imagination takes over. It represents the extreme end of motorcycle performance, a machine built to amaze, intimidate, and inspire. For those who experience it, even just seeing it in action, the H2R leaves a lasting impression as one of the most outrageous and iconic motorcycles ever made.